Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. So in order to do this, you first need to go to your settings, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and then tap on apps. In the apps you need to select the manage apps option, and then you just have to select TikTok, and you will be landed on the app info of TikTok. Now over here you just have to tap on the clear data option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Now after clearing the cache of your TikTok mobile application, you just have to try to launch it, and then you just have to try to find the CapCut templates. Now if you are not able to find the CapCut template, then what you need to do is you just have to try the second method, that is you just have to come to the app info of TikTok again, and this time you just have to select the clear data option, and now you will have to tap on clear all data and then press OK. So what this will do is it will completely remove yourself from your TikTok account, and you just have to log in into your account again. Afterwards you just have to try to find the CapCut template in it, and this way you will be able to easily resolve this issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.